How to add someone to family sharing on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Inside the Settings menu, go to your Apple account which displays your name. This takes you to the Apple account screen. From this page, find the Family option, and then tap on it. Here, you can view all of your current family members and manage shared subscriptions. In order to add a new person, tap on the Add Member icon at the top right corner. This will take you to the Invite Family page, where you can add up to 5 people. From here, you have the option to invite someone from your contacts or create a child account. Tap on Invite Others to send an invitation link through different apps like Messages or Mail. After the invitation has been sent, tap on Done at the top right corner to return to the Family Settings screen. Following these steps, you can easily add someone to family sharing on an iPhone.